Here's how to download Raw Accel on PC Windows 11 in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can install it correctly and start improving your mouse control without running into setup issues. First, open your browser and go to the official Raw Accel download page. Once you're there, look for the latest version available and download the installer file to your computer. Make sure you're getting it from the official source so everything works properly and safely. After the file finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder and locate the installer. The next step is running it. Right-click the file and choose to run it as administrator. This is important because Raw Accel needs permission to install properly on your system. When the setup window appears, follow the on-screen instructions and proceed with the installation. Once installed, you may be asked to restart your computer. If that option appears, go ahead and restart so the changes take effect. After your PC turns back on, you can open Raw Accel from your installed programs. Now that it's installed, the next step is setting it up. Open the Raw Accel program so you'll see options related to mouse movement. These settings allow you to control how your cursor responds to your hand movements. Start by keeping the default settings if you're new, then slowly adjust based on how it feels. The goal is to make your mouse movement more consistent and comfortable. After adjusting your settings, test them right away. Move your mouse around to your desktop or open a game to see how it responds. If it feels too fast or too slow, go back into the program and make small changes. It's better to adjust gradually so you can find the setting that works best for you. If you ever want to disable or remove Raw Accel, you can do so through your system settings like any other installed program. This makes it easy to try without worrying about permanent changes. By following these steps, you can download and install Raw Accel on Windows 11 quickly and safely. With the right setup and a few small adjustments, you can improve your mouse control and create a smoother experience whether you're working or gaming.